Here's how to replace the valve inside of a Milton inflator gauge. First thing you always want to do is you always want to make sure that there's no pressure going into the tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the air hose from the inflator gauge. Okay. First thing you need to do is use a large bladed screwdriver and turn the nut on the bottom side of the casting counterclockwise until it's loose. I can undo it by hand. Remove the nut because I'll need to save that for later. And inside there is the piece that I want to replace, which is the valve inside the casting. It should fall right out, but in some cases if it doesn't fall right out, you can just simply tap it on a hard surface and it'll fall right out. So what I'm going to do now is replace it with my new valve. So the first thing I want to do is make sure that the small pointed end goes inside first. I push that in until it's seated all the way, and I want to make sure that that button is sticking right outside of the casting, right in line with the handle. Once I do that, then I can take the nut that I saved and I put it back onto the casting, turn it clockwise by hand. I can take my large bladed screwdriver and then I can tighten it down all the way. And that's how you replace a valve for a Milton inflator gauge casting.